Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I'm sure a lot of you are wondering. Does Ally Bank have a mobile app? Before we get into the answer, let's talk a little bit about Ally Bank. Ally is an online bank that's known for its high interest rates and low fees. They offer a variety of banking products, including checking accounts, savings accounts, CDs, and home loans. So, does Ally Bank have a mobile app? Yes, they do. In fact, they have a very good one. The Ally Bank mobile app is available for both iOS and Android devices. It's a great way to manage your finances on the go. Here are some of the things you can do with the Ally Bank mobile app. Check your account balances. Transfer money between accounts. Deposit checks. Pay bills. Find nearby ATMs. And more. The Ally Bank mobile app is also very secure. They use a number of security features to protect your information, such as two-factor authentication and encryption. So, if you're looking for a bank that has a great mobile app, Ally Bank is a good option. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the features of the Ally Bank mobile app. One of the things I like about the Ally Bank mobile app is that it's very easy to use. The interface is clean and intuitive, and it's easy to find what you need. Another thing I like about the Ally Bank mobile app is that it's very feature-rich. You can do a lot of things with it, such as setting up automatic transfers, creating budgets, and tracking your spending. Overall, I'm very impressed with the Ally Bank mobile app. I think it's one of the best mobile banking apps available. If you're considering opening an account with Ally Bank, I highly recommend downloading their mobile app. You won't be disappointed. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.